done. So if you're on my DIY laptop project mailing list, then you're getting to watch this before everybody else. If you're not on the list and you're genuinely interested in the DIY Mini ITX Laptop project, then I highly suggest you do. The link will be below the video. Anyway, I have restarted the laptop project. I said last year that I'd do that closer to the end of the year, which I have. I just decided I wanted to keep quiet about it for a little bit longer. Without going into too many details, the laptop design is pretty much being completely redone. So I'm planning on powering it differently. I want to upgrade the screen. We'll see how that goes, and everything else, because a lot of it depends on how well things work. These are little thermocouple boards. They link up with these thermocouples, temperature sensors. This is going to be to make sure that the temperature inside, to measure the temperature inside the laptop to make sure that I have enough cooling. I've got 4 of these boards. There's another one up there. So I'll be able to measure the temperature in different spots. Anyway, that's it for now. I will reveal more about the completely redesigned laptop project as I'm getting a little bit further along, as I have more of it done. As I say, a lot of it's theoretical at this point. I haven't actually tried any of it out. As you can see, I'm just getting started with this. I've had these for a while. I just have not until recently finally got my soldering iron set up here. My original soldering iron is thousands of miles away. So yes, do know that the laptop project is happening. It's going to be a big redesign, and I will see you next time.